Hi guys, welcome back to Wholesome Baking Time. Today I'll be showing you how I made these delicious mini chocolate as well as vanilla donuts from scratch. It was such a fun process and I can't wait for you to see every single thing. Let's get right into it. So in a large mixing bowl, I have 4 kg pre-mixed donut flour as well as 2 kg water, and I'm gonna mix it for 3 minutes. So once the mix is done after 3 minutes, you have to take that bowl and scoop it into the other bowl connected to the machine. And you have to make sure that your oil temperature is at 180 degrees Celsius. Then you start the machine and you let it run. So when it's basically running, it does it all by itself. So it flips the donuts. It sits like for maybe a minute or so. Once it sees that it's ready, then it goes to the next. Then it keeps going until the whole 4 kg of dough is finished. Like literally, it will automatically run itself like that. Afterwards, I have all the donuts on a tray. Honestly, I loved how the donut came out before the whole coating as well. Like the shape, the dimension, everything about it. One can, eat it as is, or you can always have it with cinnamon and sugar. It can also go well, but obviously according to the client's preference, it had to be coated. The coating part, what basically takes place, I would take a donut flavoring glazing, donut glaze basically, and then I'll warm it up in the microwave for a minute or so, or basically until you see that it has melted properly, like it's completely melted. And then you take the donut, you dip it inside the glaze, and then you set it onto the side. Then you go to the next, into the next, and you sprinkle your sprinkles on top of it. Just before it gets dry, you must make sure that you do it quickly so that it doesn't dry out. And then and that's basically the final result, guys. It was such a fun process and I loved how it came out. And I'm so glad that you got to see an idea list of donut making from a commercial level. Thank you so very much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye.